So I started a marketing agency at the age of 15 and I'm now 20 years old and we've done well over multiple six figures. Today I just want to walk you through exactly how to start your own marketing agency, what it is that we do and how we do it, right? And how to get clients and everything that I did to get to where I am today. So first things first, I started off doing content, right? That's the route that I took. I was doing social media. I was doing short form videos, reels for, local brick and mortar businesses. And from there, I realized that I couldn't necessarily track sales through organic content. And I realized that a lot of my client churn, the reason why clients were leaving was because of that reason. I wasn't able to directly track and show my clients the results that I was providing them. Sure, we were getting millions of views, millions of impressions. People were commenting, people were reaching out. But at the end of the day, I wasn't able to sit down with my client and say, this is how much money we've generated you. So I did what anybody else would do. I sat down, I got to the drawing boards and I thought, okay, how can we create viral content, viral pieces of content for brick and mortar businesses that are struggling and need sales and actually track and impact their business? And that's when I found ads, and that's exactly what we started doing. We started implementing ads for our service. And ads are that thing that took my business from $10,000 a month, 5, 10, those steady incomes to that 20, 30, $50,000 a month. And I'll be honest, that is the one thing that I changed that allowed me to actually scale. Why? Because I went from not being able to track sales, not being able to tell my clients exactly how much money and how much ROI they were getting on their investment with me, to being able to provide to the T, to the dollar amount, how much they were making on a return and how much they were projected to make if they invested even more money. So with that being said, that's the route that I took and got me to where I am today, which is what I do with my marketing agency. Now, we work in the legal sector with immigration attorneys. So we've pivoted a little bit, quite a bit from brick and mortar. So with that being said, this is the workflow that we do for all of our clients. And here's from A to Z. Essentially what we do is we come up with your ICP. So this is your ideal customer profile. This will allow us to understand who we're targeting, where we're targeting, and what we're selling them. Once we have an ICP, we are able to create an offer. Now, this offer is kind of like a strategy as well. So the offer is what we're kind of presenting to the customers, the leads that are going to be opting into our ads. This is the offer that we're creating for them, right? So after that, we take them to a form or a landing page. This is where the lead is going to opt in, fill out the information, and then they're taken to a intake specialist. Now, two ways you can go about this as a marketing agency. Number one, you can have your own VAs, or two, you can use AI receptionists. Okay, I know a lot of people are using AI receptionists. They are great. We use them ourselves as well, depending on the client. So it's a case-by-case situation, but we also use intake specialists. The thing about VAs, pros and cons. Pros, it's a human interaction. The leads are going to trust them more. And two, if you know your ICP, you're able to train these VAs to getting better over time. Now, the only issue with VAs is that same thing, time, keyword. It takes a lot of time to train these people if you don't know what you're doing. And if it's your first time, it's probably going to take you a bit. Now, the pros and cons to having an AI receptionist is number one, it's 24/7. It works around the clock. It's cheaper and you're able to see everything. You're able to just log into a dashboard. You're able to see, track the calls and hear what they're talking about to ensure that your leads are qualified, right? So this ensures your qualifying process. But the cons are that, you don't develop trust. People are going to hang up and it just creates this rocky roller coaster for all of these leads that are coming in. So with that being said, after that, let's say the intake specialist and the AI receptionist did their job. The lead is now booked into the attorney's calendar and qualified, okay? Now replace that word attorney with any other person. It can be a contractor, it can be the home service industry, it can be a med spa. Just booked into that business's calendar and we did our job. We got them booked into the calendar. Our automations are set up now. So they're going to be sent with a thread of text messages, reminders for their appointment or consultation. And all the business has to do is follow up and make sure that they show up and you get paid every single month. Right. With that being said, this is the exact process that took my business from making $5,000 to $10,000 a month with content to making $20,000, $30,000, and even $50,000 a month within just that first 3 months of doing this. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'd love to answer any questions you guys have or make any videos about any personal experiences that I've had with starting this AI agency. As you guys can see, I'm currently in Austin because my lease in my apartment just ended. So I'm kind of just traveling the world, trying out different cities and seeing what I like because I'm kind of tired of the high-rise play. And I don't know, I kind of like a little house. So we'll see. Again, if you have any questions, make sure to comment below and I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're an attorney or any kind of business watching this video, make sure to click on the link below to book a call with our team if you're interested in seeing how we can do this process for your business and help you guys grow. Other than that, appreciate you guys for watching.